Hayden.
All right,
nice
man.
to
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
This is so not what I expected.
Yeah?
Yeah. I worked in a coal mine.
Okay.
And like you think mining, you think it's somebody's going underground. You got like a pick, you know, you got a shovel. You know,
Right.
you're in somewhere like ding ding.
Right.
This is not what you imagine.
No, this is not what you imagine. We got to make you part of the team, though. There you are. Your
Look at
coin
that.
miner shirt. You're an official coin miner now.
Nice.
Welcome to the new era of mining, where work boots and a pickaxe are traded in for a polo shirt and a processor. Today I'm building a Bitcoin miner, setting up crazy powerful processors that need to be connected so they can all work together and access the Bitcoin network. But what does that actually mean? If mining for gold is the process of digging into the ground and looking for metal, with digital mining, computers are constantly digging to solve complex math problems. And just like there was a race to see who could mine the gold the quickest, there's a race to see who can solve the math problems first. Once a miner solves the problem, they earn 25 brand new Bitcoin, releasing them into circulation. With paper money, a government decides when to print and release more. But Bitcoin isn't backed by a central government or bank. In fact, from the outset, it was decided that there will be only 21 million Bitcoin released in total, helping to fight inflation. Right now, about 13 million are in circulation. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, the Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty of the math problem miners need to solve. That means it continually takes more power and more energy to release the new Bitcoin, stabilizing the rate that new Bitcoin are released into circulation. So when will all of the Bitcoin finally be mined out? Well, it's not currently projected to happen until 2140.
After all your hard work today, we'll give you the honors to fire up this rack, as we like to say.
So when I flip that switch, it'll start mining.
Right. These things will light up, connect online, and verify their IP, and then go to work.
Awesome. All right, here we go.
Fans on. That's it right there.